Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. So in this video we will just optimize some things for speed optimization especially, and let's check out the speed again of our website because we are not sure about it. So GT matrix, and we will just get the final current situation of our website. So let's paste the link and let's test our website. It will take some seconds. Okay, so here is the result, which is D grade, and we have the time around 7.9 seconds, which is not good. Okay, so we will just optimize some things. And one more important thing is that in the passpantv.com slash cpanel, you should see that in the C panel there should be a HD access file. Okay, so that is very important. And when we in the settings, if for example you didn't found that HD access file, then what you can do, you can go to the settings area, and in the permalinks you should select this thing. Okay, post name. When you will select this thing, it will automatically create the HD access .html access file in the file manager. Okay, sometimes it will be like HTML access text, but you have to rename it to the .ht access. So here you can see that we don't have the HT access file because some files are hidden actually. So how we can see that files, there will be a setting here. So unfortunately my eyesight is very weak, so I will just check out where is the hidden files section, and when we will enable it, we will find out the htaccess file. Yeah, here we have the settings panel, and then we can just select the show hidden files. Okay, and save it, and now hopefully we will have the htaccess file. You can see htaccess .htaccess, which is very important. So it means that we have the .htaccess file, so that is not an issue. So we will just move back to our WordPress panel, and now we will see that the speed optimization is there or not. So for the solid ad, if we go here and if we go to the speed optimization, then we can actually enable some certain settings. So where is speed optimization? Connecting program counter and welcome, install plugins, theme. Okay, so yeah, we have the cache. If you want to enable the cache, it will also speed up your website, but usually we will do that later on, no issue. You can see we have a certain more things: page optimization, image optimization, etc. as well for the light speed cache options, but we want to actually find out the speed thing. So yeah, that was actually in the appearances and customize. When we will customize the theme, here you will see the settings on the bottom, I think speed optimization, and now you can see that general and lazy load. So let's click here, activate or optimize CSJS for logged in user. Okay, so I will not optimize. Disable emoji and smiles, remove query strings, remove remove XML links. Okay, we will not do anything here. We will just go to the optimize CSS and inline CSS, remove Gutenberg style and enable optimize CSS. Minify all CSS. I will not do it now, later on we will check. Optimize Google fonts, inline Google fonts. Yeah, that will also improve the speed. Delay loading Google fonts, no. Disable delay loading icon fonts. Okay, and create critical CSS. We will not do that, it can actually create some problems, so just keep it simple. Move back, optimize JavaScript, minify edges from the theme, remove GAQ remigrate, delay JavaScript execution, delay Google Ads. Yeah, we are not currently using Google Ads, so we will check it later on. Exclude scripts from delay execution. Yeah, that's fine because we will use the analytics, etc. Load and okay, that's fine. And then we'll move further again. Optimize HTML, minify HTML. So publish. So the interesting thing is that, for example, if we have the issues with these settings, we can just move back to the original settings. Okay, so let's select it again and let's check the speed again. Okay, so I think enabling cache is also a good thing, so we will enable the cache as well. To create any issues. So analysis the page, return an error. Okay, so why is this? Oh, sorry, I just duplicated the things. Okay, with the certain settings you can see that now we achieve a C grade instead of D, and the 2.7 seconds. So yeah, that's beautiful, I think. So with the minimum with the some changes we have achieved this size, which is good, and definitely we can enable the cache to get more speedy result, but indeed I am happy with this result for now. Later on we will do certain more settings. So that's it for this video. Next video, I think in next section we will move further and we will explore Google Webmaster Tools.